Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you exactly how to make money vibe coding with Replit AI. So this is the tool that is going to help you build the projects faster, automate the coding tasks, and turn the simple ideas into the real income streams. So Replit AI basically lets you code by describing what you want, but makes it perfect for creating small digital products that you can sell. So you need to start by opening Replit and creating your first project. So here when you click on the option of sign up, you just have to sign up here first. Then you just have to start creating your project, and then you can use AI prompt box to generate the scripts, the websites, the tools and the bots based on your niche. So one of the best ways to make money by building the simple utilities like calculators, automation scripts, portfolio website, and the mini applications. And yet then you can just simply start selling them on the freelancing platforms. Replit AI handles most of the coding and you just refine the output. Another earning method is offering the micro projects where clients want a quick fix or a small tool. Replit's instant hosting let you deploy your project with one click, and you can also share the live link instantly. Finally, you can use Replit to create the templates, starter kits, or code packs and sell them on the marketplaces or on your own website. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.